Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from June 10th to June 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And for extra readings, you can follow me on Instagram. The link for that is also given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Librans from June 10th to June 20th. Just see the beauty of the cards. I just saw this card at the bottom of the deck, the Six of Swords, and I just kept it away because normally I'm including 3 cards over here. I've already included 5, so I just said, okay, I'll just see if it has any significance, and I kept it away. And just see here, it has come out in another deck. Just see the beauty of the cards. If there is a message for you, it will definitely come out in some way, shape or form. Guardian from the angels. Message from the universe for Librans. Okay, Librans, so you are definitely moving towards happiness. As simple as that. You're starting with that. I'm not talking about the end, but yes, you start moving towards something or someone. The pace is very, very slow, as good as zero, I would like to say. You've been moving towards something or someone with a very, very slow pace, but you've been moving. Okay. And here you really have something to offer, at least I can say that. You have something to offer to someone, and what you want to offer to them is this happiness. Basically, that's what it is coming off as. Okay, it's coming like that, that you want to offer whatever this offer is from your side. It is a very slow moving offer. Maybe it has taken a lot of time, but it is something which is very, very stable. You have well thought about it, contemplated a lot over it, and that is why you are so slow. But the thing is that you are moving in a direction of 10 of cups, which is ultimate fulfillment, happiness, and a family card. So you are whatever you are going to offer to this person is your commitment. That's what I feel. Basically, you are heading towards a commitment, okay, and which has taken a lot of time for you to think about. You've taken a hell lot of a time to think about it, moving very slowly towards commitment. And here with the Queen of Wands, the Empress, the King of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles, what I feel here is that yes, you are being there is again this time these readings, till now most of the readings I'm picking up energies of two people. Here again what I feel is with the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands, definitely it is a couple, definitely it is a couple, and there is a new beginning to it with the Empress. Okay, so you are offering a commitment towards someone, and that commitment is something long term and stable, maybe a marriage, whatever it is something long term, stable, happiness, emotional satisfaction, contentment. And you both of you are very, very passionate about this, because see, here we have the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands, and in between is the Empress, which is talking about abundance, new beginnings, fertility. Fertility in the sense that it's all harvest, and it's just like new beginning, okay. And both of you are uh, both of you are at the same page, both of you are counterparts, equivalent in every way. Perhaps both of you have share a similar nature. There is some sort of similarity towards in both of you, with whom you are dealing with. So this person you feel is like you, both of you are attracted to each other, and both of you, and this is a time of a new beginning. That's what I'm getting again and again. In between the King and the Queen of Wands lies the Empress, which is talking about. Now here with the Empress, it can be that if it is a family over here, then maybe it can be about parenthood also for some of you, because it is about fertility, it is about a new beginning, it is about harvests. So it can be that some of you are becoming a parent actually, or it can be just a new beginning, because there is a commitment over here coming in, a new beginning in whatever way. But definitely it is talking about a couple moving towards a new beginning, whatever the new beginning is. With the Six of Pentacles over here, you are trying to stabilize this situation, balance the situation properly. You have understood that all the relationships are about give and take, so you are trying to balance the situation by equal give and take, or equal reciprocation of the feelings. Perhaps you're trying to do that. And with the Page of Cups, you are offering your emotions. Again over here we have the Knight of Pentacles, which was slow. With the Page of Cups, again what I feel is you're offering your emotions to somebody. Now this person may be younger than your age, or maybe you are younger than their age. But this it's talking about a rejuvenating or a new energy type of a thing, or somebody who's vibrant, colorful, sort of youthful. It's something like that. Okay, that's why I'm saying young, or maybe this person is young at heart, or maybe you feel that way. Whatever it is, again with the Magician, it is talking about new beginnings, and followed by the Ten of Pentacles, again a new beginning towards the family, solid commitments, foundations, solid foundations, long-term stabilities, a family. So again a new beginning towards the family over here. So you're definitely offering your emotions toward to somebody, and again there is a new beginning towards a commitment basically, or a solid foundation, which is again coming off as a family. So we have two family cards over here, and new beginnings also. So I think maybe you are committing, or you're starting a family with the person, or maybe it is maybe a parenthood, whatever it is. And here what I see with the Ten of Swords is, with the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords, now if what I feel here is with the Ten of Pentacles, again it is a family. With the Four of Wands, again it is a family, and it is again a happy married life type of a thing, solid foundations, long-term commitments. So there is definitely a new beginning. There is definitely a commitment. There is definitely a family, but there is Ten of Swords over here. So there is definitely something which is troubling you, and you are moving away from it. I would like to say, if I take into consideration this, what I feel is, see, it can be some past energy which was there, because now you are moving towards happy times. I think this is something from the past which has at some point in time left you devastated and hurt or backstabbed in some way, shape or form, and now you are moving away from that trauma and moving towards this commitment and happy family life or new beginnings. Okay, I think this is the part. This is something. This one card is depicting the past energy which you still have in some way, shape or form in your mind. That is why it is showing up in this reading also, that though you are moving towards the new beginnings, you are leaving the past behind, which made you feel like this basically. So there was something in the past which has totally hurt you or devastated you, and you felt backstabbed or whatever, but it was a very painful condition, and you are letting go of it, moving away from this situation, and now that is why all this new beginning is coming up. So this is the old energy, and this is the new beginning which is coming up for you, which is very, very beautiful. Okay, so yeah, so you're moving away from this negative energy or this negative situation, whatever it was in your life. With the Ace of Emotion, this cherub is announcing that a wonderful new emotional experience is coming into your life. You may meet someone new who makes your heart flutter, or your current relationship with experience a reawakening. It's also possible that your intuitive abilities will be greatly increased by opening your heart. So what did I say? You may meet someone who makes your heart flutter. So basically that's what I said. Maybe this person is young at heart, you are young at heart, maybe this person is younger than you, but they have that youthful or a vibrant type of feel to them, whosoever this is. And maybe it is a new beginning with the current person, or with somebody new, or in your current relationship, but definitely there is a reawakening and a new beginning, and it is talking about something which is solid and family. Okay, or you want to have a family with. So maybe it is a new beginning with somebody whom you want to have a family with, and maybe there was something in the past, perhaps with this person only, which made you feel hurt, and now you are able to let go of this situation and move fresh in the new direction, move forward in the new direction. Okay, so number 50 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. Consider your foundation. Look at how committed you are to love. So basically, again, this is again coming as the guidance for you, that whatever it was, I think, because consider your foundation, how committed you are to love. If you feel that you really love this person, whosoever this person is, because obviously it is a relationship, so and because you feel that you are committed to this person, you realized your feelings for this person, perhaps that is why you are able to let go of this hurt and move forward, perhaps with this person, with the same person. I don't know who this person is for you, but definitely there is a new beginning, a new commitment, and it is something, this is something which you want to have a family life with. You want to have a family with this person, whosoever this person is, because here also again it is showing off as a couple. Just see here, again there is a couple. If you can see this card, there is a couple sitting over here, and this is the house. Okay, so we have many cards say giving this the same message. Here again the family, here again a family. Okay, here again we have a family, and here again we have a family. Okay, so definitely whosoever this person is, you either have a family with this person, or you want to have a family with this person, and you are able to let go of this past hurt, to have a family with this person, and you're moving ahead in that direction, and it was very slow. But what I feel here is that it was very slow, but immediately after such a slow energy, what I feel is the vibrancy of a family. So I think it won't be that slow now. I don't know. Otherwise, immediately after this energy coming of the Ten of Cups, ultimately a family. So definitely it is a past energy. It was very slow, and maybe now it is moving a little fast, because new beginnings are definitely coming in. So, okay, Libras, beautiful energy for you, beautiful reading for you, and that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.